Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vicky. How you all doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. Guys, I want to use this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas to you all and your families. If you are a lover of coconut rice, coconut jollof, coconut fried rice like me, you need to watch this video till the end. The thing is, each time I buy canned coconut milk from the supermarket and then I make coconut rice with it, I really do not get that coconut flavor, the real coconut flavor from it. So today I decided to show you guys how you can make your own natural homemade coconut juice at home. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you are welcome. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and join this amazing family for more interesting recipes. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your constant love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and as you do so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts about the video in the comment section down below. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video to the end and learn how you can make your own homemade coconut milk. So we are going to be making coconut juice or coconut milk that we are going to be using to make our coconut rice. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this, please stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And the ingredients we are going to be needing to make the coconut juice or coconut milk is very simple. In this recipe, I'm just going to be using 2 coconuts. That's what you need. You can make as much as you want, or you can even use 1 coconut. It depends on you. And I'm going to be using the juice in cooking our coconut rice. So guys, you're going to be needing coconut. You need blender or any other food processor of your choice, and then you need a jar or any bowl that you can put the juice in it. So guys, keep watching. My coconut I found it in a supermarket and I decided to buy it. I break one of the coconut already and it's okay because most of these fruits they come from tropical regions. You don't know how long they've preserved them, so sometimes you buy them and they are not good on the inside. So I have to break this now. Fingers crossed, hoping it's going to be nice. I'm going to use this in order to break it. So when you hit it like this, the skin is going to come out like so. Don't know if you can see this. Just hit it again like one time. Okay, the skin came out nice and good. So I'm going to, this is the water. In Africa, whenever we break coconut, usually drink the water, but I can't drink this. Look at ta-da-da, the coconut is really nice. So I'm just going to clean the surface a little bit. If you are a lover of coconut rice, don't forget to try this. The thing is, sometimes when I buy coconut, those canned coconut juice, and make coconut rice with it, I usually do not get that taste. I know that real coconut flavor. Sometimes it doesn't really come out. So I said, before I make another coconut rice, let me use pure and natural homemade coconut milk. So after breaking the coconut, you just have to cut it into tiny pieces like so. So guys, don't forget to peel the coconut, cut it into tiny pieces that you can easily blend. So after peeling and washing, this is what it looks like. So don't know if you can see it. Okay, the next step is to bring in your blender. You can use any blender of your choice. If you have a food processor, that's better. Place the coconut into the blender, pour in some water, and blend. While blending is going to be noisy, so let me just skip this part quickly. So guys, blend until you obtain a consistency that looks like this. Then you use a strainer. So guys, I'm done blending the first round. Blend until you have a consistency that looks like so. It's not too runny, it's really blend it into a smooth paste, in short. And then you get a strainer now. Strain out the juice from the chaff. This is what I'm doing. I'm using the small strainer because I don't want any chaff to get into the juice. You can use any other strainer of your choice. So guys, I'm done blending the first round. Blend until you have a consistency that looks like so. It's not too runny, it's really blend it into a smooth paste, in short. And then you get a strainer now. Strain out the juice from the chaff.